Hi, Ashton here with RAB Audio. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling one of our ProRak SDM stands. This stand model is the ProRak SDM 100. The ProRak SDM 100 and SDM 50 share the same instructions. Carefully remove the plastic wrap from the unit. Your instruction sheet and hardware pack can be found wrapped onto the unit itself. Your hardware pack will have a sticker on it that you can see through the plastic wrap. Find these items before you continue. This product can be bought in two different trim colors, black and almond. Lay out all of your pieces. The parts include 2 monitor decks, 2 bottom plates, 4 top panels, and 4 bottom panels. Your hardware pack includes 16 conformat screws, 8 cap nuts with bolts, 4 cable management clips, and a 4mm hex key. Find your cap nuts and press them into the 2 holes on each of the bottom panels. Flip the bottom panels. Then attach the top panels by screwing the bolts into the cap nuts. The SDM stands have a minimum height of 36 inches with a maximum of 42 inches, adjustable at 1-inch increments. Attach your bottom plate to each bottom panel with 4 conformat screws. Your height adjustment holes will face each other. Attach your monitor deck with 4 conformat screws to each top panel. Peel off the release liners on your cable management clips and attach where you see fit. This has been an unboxing and assembly of our ProRak SDM 100. If you have any questions, please contact us at rabaudio.com.